Taking about wishes and imaginary situations. My wishes, my name is Leidy Sánchez Pavón, Facultad de Humanidades y Educación del Programa de Licenciatura en Pedagogía Infantil. Teacher, Sandra Milena Lozano Rodríguez. Future wishes. I wish my baby was in good health. I wish to go to the beach with my family. I wish to finish my trek with good grades. I wish I could travel by plane. I wish I had my own business. I wish to save a lot of money. Present wishes. I wish I had a canvas to paint a picture. I wish I could note the notes of the words present. I wish good health for me and my family. Past wishes. I wish I remember where I put the holy pants. I wish I had responded better to the English text.